Hello everyone. On an unexpected journey up north to a Hispanic restaurant, I actually found something much more cool. It's actually like a classic car show kind of cool. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at this beauty. Yep, that's what I'm talking. Look at this beauty right here, everyone. This is what I'm talking about when it comes to classic American muscle. Look at this interior, that is beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
So clean. God. I just love classic cars. Yeah. What I love about old cars is just driving by this Dairy Queen and just came upon this, and as you can see behind me, there is just classic cars everywhere. Mustangs, just all of the good old stuff with big V8s, and carburetors, and all the good. God, the interior of this car is beautiful. It's oh my gosh. The interior of this car, look at it. But more importantly, look at the engine. Look at this beautiful blue. Another beautiful interior. But I want you guys to see this Daytona. Just look at this. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow. Look, everyone. This thing is built for racing. Look at this one right here. Immaculate interior. Come along and see. I love the openness on the side. Woo! Beautiful. Stalin. This thing right here. Check out the engine. And we move along. Beautiful interior. Full roll cage.
I'm not.
I moved here from Ellensburg like
And some NOS.
8 months ago, so I haven't met a ton of people.
And the name?
All right.
Angry Leprechaun. That roaring V8. Here we go. An unexpected tour of classic American muscle. Mike, Mr. Mike, signing out.